Simbot Menteri Rangba Badi Kmi Ketenat Urban Affairs ke Sorkar Jelau Bak Sniawbhalang Dhar Ulaong Bak Jingwat Ubak Marshal Marwen Ubala Suba Syabatep Haunyut Hamarten Nadu Kalai Terik Urumpang Arajar Pesau Kenang Bteng Hakan Ri Terik Urumpang Arajar Pesau Habakran Cikilat Patai Kubor Kejan Miet Jongsan Terik Urumpang Arajar Pesau Bak Sniawbhalang Ulaong Bahab Ban Pentikna Laga jingja ka DNM hakate ka jaka badu dang up Kaiphod na ki officer ulong bahado kani ka janmiet ki bor pulit kimpat lap satya yauba Marshal.
Just now I update my officer. This is a very unfortunate incident, so we are yet to find out the body whether he is there or not. So even the family of that thing, so they request us again for now, please try to look it for another tomorrow, one more day. So we are connecting with them. So till now it's not yet found. So even we are confused whether really the man what falls under that things or not. We are yet to know because till today there is no body was found. So my officers and staff, so they will continue again to another one day tomorrow, and we will coordinate with the family accordingly. You see, as of now, nobody knows whether this actual accident was there or not. Because nobody see and nobody just they just say because he used to come there to take all these, to collect all these things. So it's just thinking. So we are unable to say exactly what is what. So kindly bear with us. So our officer and the team that really work hard to find whether it's really the incident was took place there or maybe so we don't know. So even I told my officers to Director Urban to give his phone number to the police department. Please track it, at least during that times of happening. Where is he? So we are here to receive all this report also.
Is reportedly missing, no?
Yeah, it's reportedly missing, and but the only thing that his friend said usually they were there every day to collect the scammer. That is the only presumption as of now. So let us see for another few days, few hours. No,
Garbage.
That is the reason nobody can say that. He's inside the carpet. So that's why we have to keep digging their garbage. That is the reason.